I made this program which helps us to determine entered matrix is unit or not, where rows and columns are input. First, we should include these two header files. Without main function, program cannot be executed. Here we used integer data type variable. First value of counter is 0. CLR function help us to clear output previous output screen. Printf function help us to display proper message on the output screen. Scanf function help us to take values on the output screen through keyboard. If this condition is true, then body of if statement will be executed, and then control of computer goes towards this for loop. If we enter number of rows is equal to 2 and number of column is equal to 2, then r minus 1 is equal to 1 and c minus 1 is equal to 1. First I is equal to 0, 0 is less than or equal to 1, it is a true. Then it goes towards inner for loop, and j is equal to 0, 0 is less than or equal to 1, it is a true. Then inner for body of inner for loop will be executed, and computer will take first value from the user, and increment of j variable take place. J is equal to 1, 1 is less than or equal to 1, it is a true. Then second value will be taken by computer, and increment of j variable takes place. Now j is equal to 2, 2 is less than or equal to 1, it is a false. Then control of computer out of this loop and goes towards increment of I variable. In I variable increased by 1, I is equal to 1, 1 is less than or equal to 1, it is a true. And again the control of computer goes towards inner for loop, and again the process will be take place as I told you before, and increment of I takes place, and I is equal to 2, 2 is less than or equal to 1, it's false. Then control of computer goes towards next for loop. This for loop help us to display matrix according to their position, and control of computer goes towards third for loop. This third for loop help us to display matrix in the matrix form, elements in the matrix form, and then control of computer goes towards fourth for loop. This is the main logic of unit matrix. If you know what is meant by unit matrix, then you will definitely understand this logic. If these two condition will true, then control of computer goes towards this if statement I is equal to j and a of ij not equal to 1. It means that value at diagonal element is not equal to 1, then value of counter will be increased by 1. And else if condition is I is not equal to j and a of ij not equal to 0, this condition means that if other than diagonal element not equal to 0, then also counter will be increased by 1. And if value of counter will be 0, then matrix is unit matrix, otherwise it is not a unit matrix. And this last else condition will be executed if r is not equal to c. It means that unit matrix always a square matrix. For square matrix we should find unit matrix. Now let's run this program. First we should write 2, 3, r is not equal to c, then body of else statement will be executed. Now again number of rows is equal to 2, number of columns is equal to 2, then r is equal to c, then computer will take 4 value from the users. 1, here diagonal elements are not 1 and other than diagonal elements are not 0, hence counter will be increased and entered matrix is not a unit matrix. Then again I will run this program. 2, 2, 1, 0, 0, 1. Here all the diagonal elements are main diagonal elements are 1 and other than diagonal elements are 0, hence it is a matrix, it is a unit matrix. Thank you.